This is Updata running on the Easyscreen trading platform. So really powerful. Updata runs on multiple data sources, so you can literally just choose your market terminals, Bloomberg or Reuters. You can run on trading platforms like Easyscreen, Interactive Brokers. Just install the trading platform that you've got. Data feeds, databases, there's a whole series. So we run on dozens and dozens of different data sources, and Easyscreen is just one of those. And if you want to look at the charts or trees in Updata, this is where you'd go. So you can type in your Bloomberg ticker, all the feeds or services that you're running. So here we see Easyscreen, and these are all the market centers that are available on Easyscreen, and that just means you can go through to charting these instruments. So this is just a quick demo of how you would use it, and there's a whole series. It's very simple software, just like you would expect with Microsoft Excel, a sort of same sort of layout of ribbons and menus. And here there's lots of different quotes screens available to you. So you can have quote boards, market maps, depth curves, market level screens, and here we even have the mini charts just running. So this is all sitting on top live on the Easyscreen data. But of course the most powerful thing about Updata that more and more people use globally, we have traders in over 60 countries running the Updata platform, and this year was voted the best technical analysis platform for the 4th year running. So against a lot of different competition like Bloomberg, Reuters, CQG, Updata came out top again as the best technical analysis system. And you can see here we cover all the bases like point and figure charts, Ichimoku charts, market profile charts, full market profile charts. Here's a chart of the DAX. Again, this data coming in from Easyscreen. Rotation factors, so the profiles all there, the way you'd expect to see them. And of course, pretty well every form of technical analysis that you could ever dream of. So just again, really powerful in that regard. Just in terms of the tools, there really is a whole host of charting tools. And just to give you an example of that, if I clear the analysis, all keystroke driven as well. So if I want to do something like Fibonacci retracements, really very straightforward. Hold the shift key down, press that on the system, and it will draw the retracement levels for you. Just really simple. Goes even into in-depth things like pattern recognition, so you can identify head and shoulders patterns. For example, if I want to see bearish engulfing patterns here, it's just marking them on the charts. Again, you can take those off. Really powerful in terms of that capability. And if we take a look at, here's a 1-minute chart of the DAX. Shift T will put all the trends and targets and the percentages on. So you just push a key and gives you all the trends and targets. So this is a 1-minute chart. It's brilliant for trading. And if you want to increase the sensitivity of those targets, there's a 10-point chart, you can just do it. So really powerful in that regard, of seeing all your trends and targets and percentages for your trading. So another really powerful aspect of the Updata system. Also, of course, it just really covers all the different chart types as you expect. Lots of volume indicators, proprietary indexier indicators, they're all there. Whole series of tools, pretty well any charting function that you can dream of. And of course, we do have a custom code library of over 1,000 different custom coded indicators. Every indicator that's ever been in Stocks and Commodities magazine, just a whole series. So if you want to a system within Updata, you just go to the custom coded library, and there is literally over 1,000 systems here. So you just can search for dozens and dozens of ones that have been written. So pretty well any analysis you could ever think of is available to you in the Updata system. The scanning is a really powerful aspect. More and more people use the scanning. You can scan for whole different things across your lists. So this one here we've scanned for divergence on the stochastic, and you can scan your universe of instruments each day to find that on different time frames, of course. And more and more, one of the more powerful features that people are using are the system testing. Here is one which is the flip-flop stop loss, and if I wanted to run a test, let's just have a look at running a simple custom code. Again, there's a whole library full of trading systems, so you can just download those trading systems, but let's just have a look at one. So if I wanted to do, say, the RSI, I might just want to know, and here's the code for it, all the syntax. If you can program in Visual Basic or C#, you can also use those languages, but we have things, for example, here's an RSI that's pre-written, the code, for the commands for that. And if I want to just optimize these parameters, because I've got the parameters here, I can do a quick optimization of the parameters. So say I want to optimize between 3 and 10 on the RSI, and because I'm not entirely sure that I should be reading the RSI at 30, I'm going to test either side of 30, 20, 30, 40 with a step here of 10. So if I go 60 to 80 and again set the step of 10, then I can go and select my instrument. Let's say I want to do that on the Bund, select the Bund, next I'll do it on 5-minute data. Again, I can choose whichever data that I want to do it on, but I'll do it on 5-minute data. Select that. I can set all my commission charges in there as well, so I can see the friction in this trading system. And it's going to run a few passes. This is a quick optimization. It'll run through those passes and we'll get the results. And as that's running, we're already starting to see that the RSI is wanting to be down in this sort of quite short period. Here are the individual trades, and then I can look at the chart itself. Here are the trades on the chart. So really powerful. It's saying use a 3 RSI, 30 and 60. So not 70, use 30 and 60. And then if I want to take those results through to trade, I can just say alert me based on this system, and that will take it through to trade. Of course, you can trade on any chart in the Easyscreen system. So that's again another really powerful aspect. If I take one of my charts here, and why don't I just take this one? So if I wanted to buy when I break above this level, I can just set that. It'll go through to trading, and I just submit that order. Equally, if I want to set a sell level, let's say I want to sell below this level, that can be put on the chart as well. And of course, not just there, you can do it from sloping trend lines. So you could say, okay, when this trend is broken, let me trade when I chart this. So alert when the trend line's crossed. Do I want to be just alerted today, just in the next few days, or until it's broken? So that's just another really powerful way that you can set the alerts. So Updata really just gives you that level of functionality off the Easyscreen data. It's just sitting on top of the Easyscreen platform, gives you your charting package on top of that. So that's really powerful, and that's it.